literally have my map and my destination where I need to go. Guys, my long-awaited dessert is here, finally. The pistachio. Guys, hi, good morning. So right now, today I'm at Knightsbridge and it's a beautiful place and I said let's explore this. I've seen a lovely cafe here called L&N and I'm just heading towards there. We get a lot of designer stuff here, so I'll show you around. It's really beautiful. You see, this place is full of all designer stuff and it's really good. It's beautiful. Nice to walk around. You see a lot of people walking around and shopping. So I have my directions here. It's me. I literally have my map and my destination where I need to go. As you see, central London is really very busy. Look at the traffic that's there here. So guys, I have ordered for me the eggs royal. Comes with smoked salmon. So let's try that first, how it is. I've ordered some nice extra hot latte from here too. And pistachio cake. So let's see how it looks and let's enjoy this day and have fun out here in central London. I'm by myself just exploring everywhere. I just love doing that. So let's wait and see what my breakfast looks like. Excited to show you what it is. This eggs royal. It has salmon in it too, smoked salmon. So it's my first time to try this. Let's see how it is. It looks absolutely delicious and mouth-watering. I just can't wait to actually dig into it, but I said let me show you first. Gotten some nice dessert because this place is really famous for cakes and pastries and stuff like that. So that's in my next sitting. So please bear with me because I just love eating food. So let me just go and have my eggs royal today and enjoy. All over. So guys, my long-awaited dessert is here, finally, the pistachio cake. So guys, with my dessert, I am gonna have it with some nice freshly brewed Americano. So I'm waiting for that and I hope, because I love to have my desserts with some coffee or some hot tea or something like that. I finished my latte, now this is my second coffee, so let's enjoy the day and see how it goes. Trying my pistachio cake. Trust me guys, this is just melting in the mouth. It's amazing. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna finish this entire stuff. got my Americano. So guys, I am done for today and I'm extremely full again. This was just too much. I managed to finish, but I'm just full now. Right now it's just done. I can't eat anymore.